Remember that sports car you saw wrecked on the freeway last week? How about your neighbor's truck with the front end all torn up? We'll show you how to put them both back together right here in our collision repair program at Ohio Technical College. The collision repair program is one of our most popular courses here at Ohio Tech. OTC Collision Repair will show you how to perform a complete structural diagnosis on the damage done to any vehicle. We'll also show you the valuable skill of welding, all here in collision repair at Ohio Technical College. In addition, OTC Collision Repair will teach you everything that you need to learn about painting and refinishing the vehicle that you just put back together. The custom paint program here at Ohio Technical College will provide detailed lessons on everything that you need to know to give anything a fresh look. You'll learn about exotic paints, airbrushing, pinstriping, and so much more right here in the custom paint program at OTC.